Meet Aiko, a girl in Tokyo with a heart full of dreams. Despite her humble life, she aspired to conquer the fashion world.
Hey guys, in this video I'll teach you how you can use AI to make a short film. First of all, I'll open ChatGPT and I'll ask ChatGPT to write a 1-minute cinematic story surrounding a girl living in Tokyo. She is poor and has big dream. And now let's generate. So here are the results. They are quite long, so I'll ask it to make it short and enter. Okay, so it's nice. Now I'll copy it. Now I'll paste the text in 11 labs. I'll paste it here. I'll select English.
Meet Aiko, a girl in Tokyo with a heart full of dreams. Despite her humble life, she is.
Now I'll download the voice. I'll use Leonardo AI to generate images. I'll click on this. Generate with this model. I will add my prompt here. I'll simply take the scenes from here, like Tokyo skyline at night, neon lights shining brightly. I'll copy it and I'll paste it here. I'll simply click on generate and wait until it's generated. Here are some options. You can select one. I'll select the first one and I'll download it. Now I'll take the second scene, copy it and paste it here again. Enter. Here are the results. I'll again take the first one and click on download. You can generate all of the scenes by just copying the text from here and pasting it in Leonardo AI. After downloading all the scenes, you will go to Pika. You can join any of the channels by scrolling here. I'll join generate one. I'll simply write /create. I'll click on one more, then I'll click on image and I'll upload the image I just downloaded from the Leonardo. Now I'll add here a prompt. I'll write car and people moving, time lapse, and I'll press enter. I'll click on generate until my shot is generated. This is the video it has generated. Let's have a look. I'll download the video. This is how you can create video with the images you have generated from Leonardo AI. After generating the videos, you can assemble it and add voice to it by CapCut or Premiere Pro. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.